something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup by Jackie. This is Saturday morning, and I have to start out each day with a cup of coffee. So that's what I'm doing right here with my Keurig, getting my coffee for the day. It's an absolute necessity, you guys. It makes my day go by a little smoother.
Hey, lucky one, you don't miss.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Rocky. How was your day? How was your night? How was your night? How was your night, Rocky? How was your night?
Okay.
Yes. Hey, bird. Hey, pretty bird. Hey, pretty birdie. You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Huh?
Yes, you're pretty.
Huh?
Yes, Rocky. This is what he does every morning, guys. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Rocky.
Okay.
Yes. He has glaucoma, you guys. He has in that eye, he keeps that eye closed because he really can't use it because he has glaucoma. I did take him to a vet, and they said that we put drops in the eyes, but it didn't help it. Surgery would be the next thing, but I'm kind of afraid of that because I had a friend who had a bird, and she had surgery on his eye, and he ended up having a heart attack. So she said it's not hurting him. We just want to make sure it doesn't, the other eye doesn't get affected, because then he would be totally blind. But I don't want to take a chance on losing him. I've had him too long. Right? Right? Yes. 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 Okay, guys, this is the company car that I've been driving. This gray one right here. It's like a little Kia Soul. So that's what I've been driving. This new job requires me to do a lot of inpatient home care, so they give you a car to drive. So I don't have to drive my car, which is a good thing, because I don't like driving my car. I don't like putting the extra miles on my car. But this is my car. It's a Cadillac XTS. It's great that you have another vehicle so you don't have to put the miles on your car. So I'm happy about that. Okay, guys, these are some of my tried and trues. Some stuff that I'm loving right now too as well. This oil control makeup finishing spray by Scandinavia, the bomb. When I tell you this sets your makeup in place, I also know one of the creative directors from this company. Her name is Debbie Miley. She is amazing. If you go on that website now, I'm one of their influencers on their website. I will show you that. But she is amazing. She's an amazing, amazing influencer herself. She always supports me in every film and television project that I am on. But this is Scandinavia. When I tell you amazing, paraben-free, just an amazing. It holds your makeup in place. This is tried and true and an oldie but goodie. Also, I love this Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. When I tell you this is a refreshing spray, you can carry this in your bag on a hot day and just mist your face, and it would just make you feel so great. I mean, this just takes the edge off. It makes you nice and cool, makes your face nice and refreshed. You got to try this. This is an amazing product. And then also I'm loving this MAC This is MAC, and this is their foundation palette. Let me open this up. This was also gifted to me, so this was also sent to me. So let me open it up so you can take a look at it. See how it has all of this? See how it has all of these different, I'm sorry, I have it upside down. See how it has all of these different foundation colors in here? From dark to caramel to light. It just has a bunch of different hues. For us as Black women. Also, you can use these as concealers too underneath the eye. They are just amazing. I love this. I take this on set with me. I have another one. They just gifted me this new one. But when you open it, let's open it so you can take a look at it. Here's what it looks like. Look at how pretty it is, you guys. It's absolutely yummy. I love it. I haven't had a chance to use this one yet because I still have an older one that they sent. So I'll be using that. But this is MAC. You guys have got to get this. This is an amazing product. Hey guys, how are you on this Saturday evening? I am on my way to work, so I stopped at Starbucks to get me some coffee, you guys. I have to have some coffee before I go to work. Thank you. You're welcome. Appreciate it. You have a good day. You too. Okay, you guys, I got my coffee in hand. I am ready. I also got something that I don't need to get, honey. I got me a little something for later. But yes, I got my coffee. We are ready to go to work. So we're ready to hit the highway and get back on the highway so I can take it on in. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Hi guys, I am at work trying to make it through this night. I got on this full face of makeup and I'm getting ready to take it off. I wear it to work just so I can look presentable, but during the night and during this type of night, all night, I don't sit around in this makeup. I bring my wipes to work, my honest wipes, so I can wipe it off. See? And I just wipe it off. I do not sit around all night in this makeup. Wearing makeup all night like that can really mess with your skin. So I wear it in here, wear it to work to look presentable, and in the middle of the night, like right now, it's 12:08. So it's 12:08 a.m. So I take it off. Hope you guys are having a good night. I know probably half of y'all asleep. Yep. Take off this makeup. These wipes are good. These are the wipes that I always buy. This will cause major breakouts. So we're gonna take it off. I even wipe off the eyebrows. Take everything off. See, even the mascara off my, wipe off the eyebrows. Yep. To get acne, especially this time of night. See? See the makeup coming up? I bring like a makeup remover. Let me show you what it is. But this is the Soothing Makeup Milk Remover. So I bring this stuff with me. I do not want no. Okay, we're gonna continue to take it off. Okay, put a little bit more on this one. Yeah, this is a ritual. This is something I do 12:15. Yep. Look at that. Yep. Hope you guys can hear me. Okay, now after I do that, I go in for the witch hazel. Still coming off. In the middle of the night. Look at that. That could be a lot. Go ahead and do another one. I do it until I don't see no more brown. So you still seeing brown. Be a lot of makeup. Make sure I don't got no more mascara on my eyelashes. That's a cold, you guys. Let's see if it's my floor. Nope. ER. That's in the ER. Okay. Face. Then I get a clean mask. There's one in here. I hate the mask when you see the makeup on the inside of the mask. It looks so nasty. I'm gonna do one more, but we're gonna put the milk on it. Yeah, this is very moisturizing too, guys. It's still kind of brown, but it's almost gone. Pretty much. Almost gone. Around the neck part. But, alright, we are done. Yeah, let it dry. Because I don't play with my skin. Y'all left some lip balm. Now that we got a clean face. A little lip balm. Yep. And then put a nice clean mask on. No makeup stains. There we go. Clean face, you guys. So when I leave out of here in the morning, go home, take my shower. I don't have to spend time scrubbing that makeup out. It'll already be, the makeup is already gone. Just be a little residue, but that's okay. We got the majority of it, so yes. Let's go bug Maria. Let's go see what Maria's up to. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
It's pointed at me.